Hi guys, welcome back to channel. On this section we are going to discuss how to fill Germany visa application. For that first we go through the official website of VFS. Before starting the section, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe. From here we have to begin your application. The second step we have to select here and click on short stay visa, and this is our online application. And from here first we have to change the language to English, and we can easily fill it. And always check here they mention short stay. It should be mentioned short stay mainly for the purpose of tourism, business meeting, short stay medical related purpose we can use it. Application related purpose, I'm just mentioning here random informations. So while filling your application, make sure all documents, all detail as per your documents. For filling application we have to complete 6 stages. So first step will be the personal details, then we have to complete our contact information and passport details, travel plan, and our hotel information where you are going to stay, and the costs, who is bearing the expenses. So these are the 6 stage of process we have to complete for the filling the application. After completion, then we have to continue here. Now you can see we can able to download PDF. So download the application PDF. Then we will get the PDF form of the application, and this is a form which we fill online, and just need to take the printout of this application and attach photo. That's it. Hope you guys understand about how to fill Germany visa application online. Any question, any doubt, you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you another section.